Hello everyone, my name is Tabitha and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a romantic makeup tutorial. Let's just get started. I start with a fresh face that is moisturized, and I use IOPE BB cushion today for this makeup look. I love using BB cushion because it's really easy and practice for wherever you want to go. For today's concealer, I use Maybelline Instant Age Rewind to cover my dark circles and also other blemishes as well. I also got some acne scars over there. For contouring, I use NYX Wonder Stick to sculpt my face and define my face perfectly today. And just blend it with my Sigma, my favorite brush. It's from Sigma actually, and I also highlight my brow bone using this NYX Wonder Stick. Next to the eyeshadow, I use Lorac Pro Palette. The first one I use taupe shades. I continue with the sable shade. Okay, this might look like a mess, but I promise it will get better once I blend everything. Oh, I forgot to highlight my nose, so I just highlight it quickly. And continue with gold eyeshadow still from Lorac palette. For the inner corner eyes, I use Misslyn Rose palette. For the eyeliner, I use Maybelline Long Lasting Drama. I really love using gel liner because it's really easy to apply. And for the lashes, I use Artisan Pro Lashes. It's also my favorite one. For the mascara, I use Maybelline the Magnum Volume Express. I just use the mascara on my lower lashes today because the upper lashes is already so bold. For the eyebrows, I use L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. I just fill in everything, and I always use brow gel. This one I use Milani Brow Shaping Gel. For the blush, I use MAC Powder Blush in peach shade. I really love this one too. Please ignore my weird smile over there. For the highlighter, I use Fenty Beauty Killawatt in Hustla Baby. As you can see, it's almost run out. I use it a lot. For the lipstick, I use MAC Twig Lipstick today. It's a satin lipstick. I think most of you guys also know of this MAC lipstick. And done! I hope you guys enjoy my video, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel and let me know what your thoughts. I'll see you guys on next video. Bye!